Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on regrowing lettuce from kitchen scraps. This easy and sustainable method allows you to recycle food waste and enjoy fresh lettuce right at home. Let's get started. Regrowing lettuce is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It reduces food waste, saves money, and provides a continuous supply of fresh lettuce. Here's how to regrow lettuce from a lettuce base. First, choose the right base. Save the base of your romaine or leaf lettuce head. Next, place in water. Place the base in a shallow dish of water, cut side up. Ensure the water covers the bottom of the base. Then, change the water. Change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh. Provide light. Place the dish in a sunny spot. In a few days, you'll see new growth from the center. Finally, transplant, which is optional. Once the new leaves are a few inches tall, transplant into soil for continued growth. Use a pot with good drainage and potting soil. Harvesting lettuce is easy. First, you can use the cut and come again method. Simply use scissors to cut the outer leaves as needed, while leaving the inner leaves to continue growing. Alternatively, for a full harvest, just wait until the lettuce head is fully grown, then cut the entire head off at the base. To store lettuce, you have a couple of options. One way is to refrigerate it. Wrap the harvested lettuce in a damp paper towel and place it in a sealed bag or container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to a week. Another method is to store it in water. For short-term storage, place the cut ends of harvested lettuce in a shallow dish of water in the refrigerator to keep it crisp for a few days. Regrowing lettuce from kitchen scraps is simple, rewarding, and sustainable. Give it a try and enjoy a continuous supply of fresh lettuce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!